Hi friends, this is Vlad and this is the day review, the US session review actually, the opening of the US session review for today, Wednesday. Well, first of all, we must remember that today is the interest rate decision for US and Bernanke is about to have a speech just in several hours from now. Also, the vote in Greece still take the eyes of the investors. Let's try to understand what can we have for the second part of the day and what trades we might enjoy from. Let's start with the euro dollar, for example. This trend line has been broken. We have been shorted through the 126.85 as we remember, right, and all the way down and retrace. It was a false break and full retrace. The market still bearish though. If we take a look what we have here, we have a trend line and we have a resistance. Oops, sorry, that's not the line. We have a resistance line just right here and one little higher just right here around this resistance and a 20 MA. If we take a look on the 1 hour chart, that's exactly what we have. So we might see a little more riding up, but hourly continuing divergence that should go and stop the euro, and that should give us another sell opportunity. Watch the euro, as I believe if nothing change, it will be just the last rise up for this pair. So watch for this. This is for the euro. Let's take a look how Australian acts. Aussie dollar, same story. As we remember yesterday, it just broke through this line. We enjoyed it from the live trading room. It broke down and we closed the trade just a little below the 103. Now it makes the retrace, almost retested the lines. We also should remember we have a resistance area just right here, right? It is fighting it, and we have one resistance little higher around the 20 MA. If we watch the 1 hour chart, we also might see some interesting things here. We might see the rise up, right, till the resistance, maybe even little higher, to see the prices continuing, but the MACD keeps creating this continuing divergence. If it happens, we might have an amazing sell opportunity later today. Of course, I'm talking about the short term, the 1 hour chart, because the longer term still confusing, and while they're confused, we don't want to be in. Euro yen is another interesting pair. We have both trend lines, both of the spikes and the closing price, and a channel just right here. As you can see, it's kind of a flag. As long as it holds below the 108, it should make the down move. If we take a look on 1 hour chart, that's exactly what I am talking about. It might play a little bit here, right, with the continuing divergence that might be created, but if it breaks through the previous line, through the flag, retesting it, it should aim till tomorrow's evening all the way back to around the 106.30. So watch the euro yen, might be also interesting pair to follow. Another interesting pair to follow is the euro Australian, which has the daily engulfing since yesterday, has a bullish trend. It should go and reach the 20 MA of the daily chart. But is it going to be easy? Well, as we can see, it has some difficulties. One, it will clearly close above the 133. It should has the push up. It retraced from the previous break, right? Previous break and up, but it still fights the long-term trend line, as you can see, around the 133, and also this trend line. So it might have some difficulties here, but based on the daily chart, it still has to go little higher. And as long as it holds above the 130, 180, I will stay with bullish expectations. And now for the gold and the silver, both very interesting, both has resistances, both might have continuing divergence on the hourly chart, and that's what I am talking about. Around 1740, this divergence might take effect and take the gold down again from this area all the way back to the next support. So it's going to be interesting. Silver, same story. Despite the rise, it still has clear resistances area here, and this continuing divergence might take us to them and then begin the down move for great several amount of pips. Now that's the trades I believe we should concentrate on and enjoy from if and when the market will provide us the sell opportunities. Enjoy this beautiful day, enjoy the session, and once again wait for Bernanke. It's going to be interesting. Yours, Vladimir. Bye bye.